folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. This is Blackpool Air Show. I just thought I would have a bit of a wander around. It is quite busy today and it is quite warm, so I'm sorry that you can't hear me properly because of the people, but the red arrows aren't on for another couple of, well, an hour and a bit yet. But I just had to nip to Prime out to get myself a bag because I didn't have one. So I've just got myself a little shoulder bag just to put my stuff in. So it is really busy today. I'm not sure which side to stay on, to be quite honest with you. The tram on the way here was stuffed as well, so I'm just gonna wait for the red arrows to start. I need to get myself a water as well, and just got to remember to take some pictures. So I keep forgetting to take photos, but this is basically what it's looking like. And jet people stand in the way and they don't apologise. So I shall go back to when I'm a little bit further up, and then we'll have a bit of a nosy around the airshow village. Okay, so I'm at the airshow village now, so let's go and have a bit of a wander around. There's stuff everywhere, so let's go and have a bit of a wander around. I'm sorry about the shakiness of my camera, by the way. It's just one of those things. But let's go and have a wander around and let's see what we can go and see. I'll take a couple of pictures as well for the thumbnail.
Started as a team glider pilot in 2000, went on to a private pilot's licence, and then served in the Royal Air Force for 13 years. Started off on the Tornado GR4, another local product, onto the Tucano trainer, and ended up as a tutor, qualified flying instructor. Been doing civil flying displays since 2016.
Alright folks, so I'm just at the side of Coral Island now. I need to get onto the promenade to see the red arrows. There is shows going on and stuff at the moment still. But I need to get back onto the promenade to see the red arrows, and it is packed, so I don't know which way to go. I might go that way, towards Bank Hay Street, and see if I can get back on the promenade that way. And just try and find a quieter space. But it is really packed. It's got about 20 minutes until the red arrows come on, and I want to be on the promenade for that. This is where I am at the moment. But yeah, it is really busy. So I shall get back to you once I've got back on the promenade, because I really need to find a space for the red arrows, because I'm not missing those. So yeah, I'm going to go and find a space now, and I shall get back to you. Right, folks, so I'm not going to get a better spot than this. I'll just stand here for the red arrows, but it's basically really busy around the promenade on the comedy carpet, so they've got a bit of cleaning up to do again, the council. So I'm just stood at the side of the police car at the moment because I don't know where else to stand. This is the only space that people aren't around me as much. So I'll just stand here and just wait for the red arrows to start, which should be any moment. Here they come, folks. Oh, go away, fly.